Shout out to my girl MAANGCHI. She wanted to inspire me to do this video, y'all. MAANGCHI, girl, let's get it together. You can shut me out on your shit, girl. Let's eat. She said take pieces like that, tear it up. Tear it up. It's gonna be a messy ass, delicious ass meal. Do this, yes. That's why, girl, I see why I follow your shit now. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all real quick before I start seasoning. What I did with these pork ribs is I soaked them in water for 2 hours, and I drained the water after at least about 30 minutes each time. Put it with fresh water, and you know, drain all that blood out of it. Then I boiled them for 12 minutes, and I'm gonna let them cool. As you can see, it's still steaming. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I'm gonna let them cool off, and then we're gonna get the seasoning in that order. it's your boy Drizzle. 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 Do your thing. Girl.
Yes.
Girl. All rise. That is the. I need to borrow your car right quick. What kind of shit is that? Let's look it up. Share, comment, and subscribe if you've been before. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Let's get steady press and let's go. Christ, Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for this food I'm about to receive. May it be nourished in my body, mind, and soul. In your name, Jesus, yes, I do pray. Amen. Try. Shout out to the coldest bitch. Y'all ain't sponsoring my shit, so I'm gonna just drink this shit real quick. And we're gonna get into this ASMR. If you're into the ASMR, tune in. If you're not, K your ass, bitch, in hell. I see my kimchi. Gotta tear it up. It's gonna be a messy ass, delicious ass meal. That's messy and delicious. Something to dive in. This is weird. I'll go there. Hell yeah. Yes. MAANGCHI, girl, I see why I follow your shit now. Y'all, real quick, I just want to give a thanks. Subscribe and give me a comment. Tell my son I love your dashiki girl. I say I just want to come through real quick once again, you know, do what I do. Give y'all a little update as well. I got some new equipment, y'all. I'm so excited. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. But this is my new camera. How you doing? Child, I told y'all I'm upgrading my shit over here. Hold on, I got something else as well. Bitch, y'all see this drone? You got a camera in front of it. That little thing right there. Bitch, I told you. Bitch, I'm hashtag Beyonce. Let me upgrade. Hey. But y'all, let me munch on this food a little bit more. ASMR on y'all ass real quick. It's fucking delicious, man. That's why I fucks with MAANGCHI. Y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in to this point, y'all. Shout out to all my friends and family out there. And let me say real quick, subscribe, share, like, and comment. And turn your bell notification on so you know when I drop my next video. Child, as y'all seen in my previous video, I'm working on my JD segments. Just stay tuned for that. I ain't gonna go into all that, but just stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for the love and support, y'all. I'm really working my ass off over here. And I really appreciate y'all watching my videos to this point. Y'all just stay tuned to future videos. I have so much in the works. Y'all will not be disappointed, girl. In that order. But anyways, y'all, I love you guys. Y'all continue to stay safe out there. And watch y'all family. Watch y'all kids, y'all. Because these kids nowadays is fucking out of order. That's why I say y'all, JD is in the works. Stay tuned for that. Trust me, we got something fighting. But I'm gonna leave y'all like I always say. In the meantime, y'all behave, stay prayed up, and eat like nobody's watching.